Hello everybody, I'm Melissa, Community Manager here at Chupamobile, and today I have the pleasure to interview Sylvain Gauchet. He is CEO and co-founder of Apptamin. Hello Sylvain, how are you?
Hi Melissa, how are you doing? I'm good, thank you.
Okay, so to get started, I would like you to briefly explain us what is your role in Apptamin and what are you working on?
Sure. Well, at Apptamin, we produce promotional videos for mobile apps. So the idea is to produce a short video between 15 and 60 seconds to show what the app is all about and convert visitors into users.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess you'll have a good knowledge about the world of mobile applications. So what do you think about the future of mobile promotion?
Well, that's a tough one. I think there's already a lot of ways to promote an app, and it's a very competitive market.
Yes.
And I think people will come up, with more and more ways and more marketing channels to promote their app. So it's a bit hard right now to tell what the future holds.
Yes, I know. That makes a lot of sense. So tell us, who's your target exactly? Who are you working for?
Sure. Our clients range from indie developers, small teams of developers, to much bigger companies, and we also work with a lot of startups, and they're pretty much all over the world. Mobile is everywhere, so our clients are everywhere too.
Yes, I can imagine. So, okay, now let's suppose that I am a mobile developer and I want to promote my app video. Which channel do you think would be the best to publish it and why?
The first place where I will put it is on YouTube because it's the second search engine in the world. So I will definitely put it there first. If you have an Android app, you can have it on the Google Play Store too. So I will start there, but you don't have to pick one place to put your video. You can put it on all the channels where it's relevant, and that might depend on your app too. You can put it on your website to show what your app is all about. Send it to bloggers, journalists. When you send them your page in your PR efforts, you can use it. You can submit it to app contests. There's really a lot of ways to use video as a marketing asset.
Yeah. Okay. So do you think that video is the best format for mobile promotion?
I think it's a great format. Definitely, I wouldn't
Yes.
be in that business if I didn't think so. I think it's great because there's always the picture is worth 1,000 word thing, etc. I think video is very powerful, and that you can show a lot of things in a short video and let people decide if they want to learn more or not. And I think it's a great way to put forward your selling points for your app, show why it's unique, and get your message across in a short amount of time.
Yes, that's true. Okay, so would you tell us how Apptamin can help developers to make more revenues?
Sure. Well, the idea for us, we focus on the actual video production part. So the idea for us is to produce short videos that's going to be effective and powerful, and that the developers can use as a tool for their marketing and the promotion. So the idea is that we create that piece of marketing asset, and that they use it everywhere they can to pitch their app in a better manner, and get more articles, get more press, convert more people on their app store page, on their website, etc. So it's more of an asset that they can use in their marketing efforts.
Yes. Okay, but what is the point? Why are you different to other companies?
Well, we're better. No, I think one of the difference between us and other video production company, I think, is that we are deep into mobile. I mean, we come from the mobile world and the video world, and we're always in that industry. We know about app marketing, we know about promotion, we know the challenges of developers, etc. So I think we really know that environment and that industry, and it helps us create better videos. And the other thing is we've been doing a lot of promotional videos for apps, close to 200 now, and I like to think we've optimized the way we work, and we have a pretty efficient process.
That's great. Okay, so as you are a co-founder of Apptamin, I would like to know how you got the idea for creating your company.
Excuse me?
As you are a co-founder of Apptamin, I would like
Yes.
to know how you got the idea for creating your company.
Oh, okay. I was in charge of marketing a few apps, and I was very interested in video, to show what the app was doing and send that to journalists, bloggers, etc. And I looked it up on internet, trying to find a service that will be affordable and provide good quality videos. And I thought that it wasn't that easy to find, and I didn't really like what I found. So I partnered up with one of my friends that has had a video production company, and we started, to put together the project, and it picked up, and we kept going.
That's great. Okay, and will you give us an example of any successful application that has used Apptamin service?
Sure. They haven't necessarily used it from the beginning. Some of the apps that were already released, but the one I can think of right now are Spun, Week Calendar, Booking.com to use the videos, and they all had different amount of views, but I know they all used it pretty extensively, so we're happy about that.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, and now a very difficult question. What do you think about Chupamobile?
I think it's great. No, I think it's a really good idea. When I first discovered Chupamobile, I thought it was great to that you let developers buy and sell source codes. I can be kind of lazy, so I totally get the idea of not reinventing the wheel and buying what you need and moving on to the next thing.
Yeah, that's true. We are happy to hear that. Okay, so just the last thing, I would like to ask you if you have anything to say to our community, any advice that you think that may be useful for our developers?
Okay. Well, in terms of marketing promotion, what I would say is don't wait until your app is released to start talking about it, to start marketing, and to start getting feedback on your product. We see that way too often. Less and less, but still way too often, where developers think that they can build it and everything else will come together. I think you have to iterate on your product, make sure it's a great product, and start marketing it early, because it's a tough market. So you want to put all the chances on your side.
Okay, we definitely agree with your advice. Thank you very much. Okay, I just hope that now our mobile developers know your service and start using it for their applications. Okay, so thank you very much, Sylvain.
Thank you, Melissa. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.